Hey everybody, it's Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got a very nice boat to show you today that just came available on brokerage. This is a 2020 Hurricane SD 2410. 24-foot SunDeck is powered by a Yamaha Vmax 250 horsepower outboard. Just under 100 hours. Boat is in great condition. Tons of great seating, lots of storage, plenty of power for this boat. Great family boat for coastal or inland. So you've got your Simrad chart plotter fish finder. Great bow seating area. Twin bucket seats, captain and first mate. Got a nice L bench seat in the cockpit. Upholstery's in great shape, very comfortable. This backrest also flips forward to give you a sun pad. Aft facing, you've got your ski tow pylon right there. You've got SeaDeck throughout. Color match for the upholstery. You see you've got burgundy bimini top. Burgundy accents on the upholstery, as well as the burgundy hull sides. Really nice color combo. Classy looking boat. At the helm, quick look around. You've got your Fusion stereo unit, Bluetooth. You got 98.9 hours, so just about 100 hours on the 250. You got your Simrad touchscreen, chart plotter, fish finder, everything you need all in one place. On the right side, you've got switches for your lights, your pumps, your electronics, as well as the ignition. You've got a phone holder, 12-volt plug, cup holder. Here's your Yamaha shifter and throttle. It's also equipped with the wireless man overboard key fob system. Definitely a nice attachment. Hydraulic steering, tilting helm for different positions, whatever you'd like to put it at. Along with all of the comfortable seating on board, you've got plenty of storage as well. So this storage compartment goes all the way through the bow, so you can put your skis, wakeboards, deflated tubes, beach chairs, whatever the day consists of for you. Here's another access to the same storage locker. You can see just how clean it is. And it goes all the way back there. Really nice. And it's in the deck, out of the way for those big bulky items, should you ever need them. We got more storage under both the bow seating areas. Got a little insulated storage for a cooler, so you don't have to go back into the cockpit. Got your anchor locker as well as the bow boarding ladder, which is a nice feature. You don't have to jump from the beach if you beach it on the bow. Plenty of cup holders. You got more speakers up here. Great upholstery. Nice grab rail as well as cup holders. Your windshield can close and lock in case you get into inclement weather. On the port side console, you've got a porta potti as well as your freshwater sink. A little window. A lot of times it's used just for storage, but it's definitely nice to have in case of emergencies. More cup holders, 12-volt plug, speakers, and you guessed it, more storage. You see we've got beach chairs, stern anchor, plenty of room for more stuff. In this section, we've got more chairs. Looks like a cover. You've got access to your batteries. The battery switch is back there. You've got 2 batteries, a selector switch, and tons of storage. This boat does come with a trailer. Make it easy to take it to wherever you're going to be keeping it. Nice platform up here on the bow, non-skid, as well as your cushioned spots to step aboard. The boat is bottom painted. It's kept in the water. It's hauled every winter for a detail, and it shows. This boat is in great shape. It really is. As you'll see from the photos, there are mooring covers. One cover goes around the bow seating area. Another one goes at the base of the windshield and covers all of the upholstery to keep it nice and clean. Like I said, this is a 2020 Hurricane SD 2410, powered by a Yamaha 250 with 100 hours, and it comes with a trailer. Give you a little better look at the hull color here. Really good looking boat. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to call me on my cell. My number is 239-249-4345. Again, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2020 Hurricane deck boat. Thanks so much, guys. Let's get you out on the water.